Ay, nakapag-videohan ha.
Okay, kanina maagad akong pasensya ha. Tanawala talaga ako sa na-vlog ko. Okay, nga na hindi naman vlog ko. Talaga lang kaya samping ito unang kabralang ko. Okay. Our guest for today is 23 years old, the ninth child of Miss Lydia Palaya and Mr. George Arevalo. Dati po siyang estudyante ko sa Mercedes Child Development Center, school year 2005-2006. Okay. He is a president of Pag-asa Youth Association of the Philippines, PEA, and Pilar, and currently serves as a secretary of this organization and regional level. Class valedictorian of Mercedes Elementary School, school year 2012-2013. Completed junior high at Holy Family Academy with high honors and graduated at Bicol College with honors. He earned his degree of Bachelor of Science in Social Work at Bicol University as a cum laude, school year 2023 and 2024. He passed the licensure examination for social workers in 2024 and now working as a social welfare officer at the Department of Social Welfare and Development or DSWD. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming our 30th Warming Up Ceremony. Guest of honor and a speaker, none other than Mr. John Lloyd P. Arevalo.
Ayan, thank you so much po, ma'am, for such warm and kind introduction po. So, una po sa lahat, binabati ko po ang lahat ng batang magsisipagtapos or moving up ngayon. Congratulations po sa ating mga anak. Ayan, palakpakan naman po natin sila. Sa mataas na paggalang at pagpapahalaga, nais ko pong ipahatid ang aking taus-pusong pagbati at pasasalamat, of course, sa ating minamahal at napakatsagang guro sa kindergarten, Ma'am Gina B. Pedrosa. Sa lahat ng iginagalang nating panauhin na narito ngayon, unang-una po sa ating butihin at lubos na sinusuportang punong bayan,